Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the App Store. Open the App Store app, then tap the Search tab at the bottom. Put your finger in the search field so the Recent Searches list appears. This reveals the items to remove. Once the list is visible, scan the top right area for a clear or edit control. Make sure you're signed into your regular Apple ID because search history is tied to that account. If you see clear, tap it now to remove all visible recent searches immediately. If you don't have a clear button, remove items one by one. You can swipe left on any individual search term and tap delete to remove it. Once done, repeat for other entries until the list is empty. If an edit option appears, use it to select multiple entries and delete them in one action. Make sure to wait a second after each delete so the app updates. If results still show, you can try signing out of the App Store account and signing back in to force a refresh. Finish by confirming the history is cleared. Close the App Store and reopen it, then tap Search to verify the recent list is gone. If entries reappear, restart your device and check for an iOS update, because a cache or software bug can preserve items. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of your Apple ID in Settings App Store, restart your device, then sign back in. That often forces a full sync and removes stubborn history entries tied to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.